Hey guys, we're tearing down this 2010 Outback, same as all the way to 14. Taillight's broken, we're gonna replace it with another one. Actually we're not, we're just gonna take it out, show you guys how to take the taillight out. So you guys don't have to spend all the money at the dealership to replace the taillight, which takes about 2 minutes, if that. So there's these two clips that hold this. Here, let me pull this out so I can show you guys. The clips are missing already from here and here. It takes a little screwdriver, you just turn them and they pop out. This cover, these guys, they clip into here. Basically it's like a beauty cover to cover it so you don't see all the crap. There's two 10s behind it. Careful taking this out. You can catch it from, once you get the screws out, you can stick it back here and just pull it out. It's very simple. There's not much to it. There's a little thing that holds it right here. After you've done that, two number 10s, and this piece is loose. You can grab it from here and just kind of pull it. If you get a lot of dirt and stuff in here, it'll be harder for this thing to come out, but it's very simple. Just two 10s, just wiggle it, it'll come out. Once it comes out, twist these three, to the left, and then they pull out. Get your new tail light, and just put the wiring back in. Now these, you can't crisscross them because they're set up differently, so you can't go wrong. After you get all back together, going back in is a little trickier. This tail light's broken, so I'm gonna show you guys how to put a new one back in. Let's say you got a new one from us or somebody else. These tabs right here, these little two sliding tabs right here, these need to slide into these guys right here. Don't force any of it. It's got to go in smooth. So usually what I do is I'll line it up here, and if through here you can see the guides. I make sure those guides are in, and once those are in, it literally will just, there's a little tab right here. You see that? There shouldn't be any. Most people are like doing this, and don't do any of that. This should be just an easy slide in, slide out. That's how you replace taillight. Put your 10s back in and put the cover back in and put the two screws in. I'm not going to do all that because this taillight's broken. So that's how you replace taillight in 2010 Outback, and they're the same from 2010 to 14, all the same. Now let's go to the other side.